This is seriously the scariest. I don't know if you can see it. This is the scariest he's ever looked. This is beyond. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea where I am. I'm pretty sure I drove like an hour. Rich, I think this might be like where you live, in the middle of freaking nowhere. So semi-paved. They're a little rough, I'm not gonna lie. I just don't think people are gonna care what happens out here, so they might out here too. Who knows? But we have our chainsaw guy ready. I'm not gonna lie too, he has like upped the scariness. Instead of like half of his face being like peeled and melted off, it's like completely ripped off. Like I'm just creeped out looking at him. Somebody's seriously gonna get the crap scared out of him, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, this girl named Kelsey and her roommate's Cody, so I'm gonna hand the phone off and let you guys talk to her for a second. Here she is. Hi, Johnjay and Rich. This is Cody. I'm scaring Kelsey. She's been my roommate for about 4 months, and she works at a haunted house. She loves Halloween, but she scares really easy. So when I saw your guys' thing on Facebook, I just wrote in, and here they are. She is 22. Oh yes. I hope she's not naked. No, she doesn't have a dog. Well, I don't know. I mean, some people sleep naked. Here we go. Yeah. Can you go first? Alright. Alright, walking into the house. I feel like they have some weird decor here.
Don't wake up, Kelsey! What are you doing? Don't wake up! Mama!
You're not a screamer, are ya?
No, I didn't want you to.
Oh, look at your bed though. This is nice.
Johnjay and Rich.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, sunshine.
I thought she'd scream way more. Good morning. I can't hear nobody. Hello? This is Kelsey.
I figured she'd scream.
It was really interesting. It was really ugly, actually.
Aww. No, you're not.
I know. I don't know. I wanted my face covered and then somebody's hands were cold and I don't know what to do.
She didn't even scream.
Just a little. Yes. Thank you. Happy Halloween. What do you say?
Were you scared?
Yes.
Were you? She didn't scream.
I thought
We did it again, but she's not a screamer.
I know.